Hi friends, today we will install Tomcat on Amazon Linux 2. Let's start with the practical. Launch instance, Tomcat, and I am taking Amazon Linux 2. This is Amazon Linux 2023, but I want to take Amazon Linux 2020. This one, Amazon Linux 2, sorry. This was Amazon Linux 2. Okay. Next, let's go with free tier only. T2.micro. If required, we can take T2.medium. Right now, I am going with T2.micro only. Okay. Next, select the key pair. Create one new key pair. Tomcat keys. Create key pair. Next, launch instance. Okay. Next, view all instances. Click here. Our instance is right now running. So copy this public IP address, and I'm opening Mobile XM software. MOBA Mobile XM software. Open it. Click on sessions, SSH, advanced SSH. Sorry, give the username. Username is EC2-user. Advanced settings. Use a private key. Click here and select the Tomcat keys. Open. OK. Click on accept. Okay, let's go to our steps. These are the steps for installing the Tomcat. So as usually, first command is sudo mupdate. Okay, next command we go with sudo Amazon Linux. This one we enable the Linux extras, we will enable, and Java OpenJDK 11 also we will enable it using this command. Okay, next we will install the Java 11 with this command. So Java 11 is installing. OpenJDK. Let us check the Java version. Java-version. See, Java OpenJDK version is 11.025. Okay. Next we will set up one Java environment variable. The path is this one. Execute the command. Click I for inserting, and you copy paste these steps for setting up Java environment variable. Okay. Escape :W2 for save this one. Okay. Next we need to execute this one. Change the permission to execute permission I am giving for that path, and run this command. Okay. Next we'll create a Tomcat user and group. Okay, the commands are: first we'll create the Tomcat group. Copy this command and give paste here for creating the Tomcat group. Next we will create the Tomcat user, and we will assign that Tomcat user to Tomcat group. Execute this command. Okay. The next steps are to download the Tomcat. Okay. So first we will install wget. Yeah, wget is already there. No need to install also. I want to install 9.0.80 Tomcat. So I am giving this version variable. So copy this command and give here. It will be used as a variable in our next command. See, this is the wget. It will download the 9.08.80 Tomcat version. Okay. Run this command. So it is downloading the Tomcat. Give ls. See, downloaded the Tomcat 9.0.80 from the internet. Okay. Next one is what? Execute this command. Right now the file is .gz, right? We need to extract that one. Give ls. Yeah, file is here right now. That file was moved to this path after extract. Let me show you. Right now I'm in pwd ec2-user right now. Let me show you ls hyphen. I show this. Copy this one. This is the file. It moved here usr/share. Okay. After altering it. Okay. Just I want to show you that one. Now you create one soft link with this command. Okay. Next command is we are changing the ownership of the file. To Tomcat. Next, configure the Tomcat. Same command we have already executed, right? Next we will give the permission. We change the permission. All the files with started h. Let's give sudo in front of this command. Okay. Now we are in this path, right? You can give that complete path. You can give the execute command. Okay. See, I want to execute this particular files actually, and shutdown.sh and startup.sh, one more file will be there. For that files I want to give permission as execute permission I want to give, so I have given the execute permission, right? Okay, let's go back. Let's go to this path first. ls okay, sh startup.sh. Permission denied. We need to run this command with sudo. See, Tomcat started manually. Okay, so Tomcat is started right now. So we need to open the port 8080. Okay, let's open the port now. Tomcat port. Open the Tomcat port now. Go to security and click on security groups, edit inbound rules, add rule, port number is 8080, right? 8080, IPv4. All zeros means it can be accessible from anywhere. Okay. Next, save rules. Okay. Next, go to EC2. We have opened the port 8080, right? So we need to take the public IP address and access from here. 8080. So Tomcat is running. This is the home page of the Tomcat. We have installed the Tomcat successfully. So this is the home page of the Tomcat. Suppose I want to deploy one war file. So the steps are like here. When I click on manager app, it is showing right now error, right? So we have to do some small configuration. Let me show you how to do that one. Create Tomcat users. Next steps are like creating the Tomcat users. So go to copy these comments. We will create the Tomcat users. Enter. Okay. Go down. Go here and copy these lines for creating the Tomcat user. I am creating the on your username admin and password is password. Let's create the Tomcat users here. Paste here. Okay. Save it. Okay. Right now I created the Tomcat users. Username is admin and password is password. Okay. So next steps are like, next go to this file path. You need to do one more configuration, small configuration. Here values are there now. We need to comment that one. See, the comment is that one. You can copy here, just and put this comment here before value. Okay, and copy this comment. Here you can paste it. So I want to put this lines comment actually. So I commented it, nothing I have done. Again save it. So we have done the changes now in the configuration files. We need to restart the Tomcat. Restart. So we need to restart manually. I think shut down and start only. I can do it. Sudo ls sh shutdown.sh I'm running. Okay, permission is then sudo I have to provide here. For this sudo, now it will run. Right now I shut down the Tomcat and I am starting the Tomcat again. Start means startup.sh. Startup.sh. Right now I am starting the Tomcat again. See, Tomcat started, right? Okay, let's go to that browser once again. Yeah, this is the right. So refresh it. Okay, now I am clicking on manager app. Earlier this was not came. After we configure the Tomcat users, right now it's coming. The username is admin, password is password. Click on sign in. So this is the place where who can deploy the war files. Anyone who have the access for this Tomcat. So admin only will do mostly. Earlier days the people used to use this Tomcat and deploy the war files. So right now I'll show you. I want to deploy one war file which is on my desktop. One war file is there. I can show you. Just for deploying the war file we have to go down and choose a file. Click here. I am going to my desktop. I have one war file. See here, you can see Amazon underscore app.war file. Let me open this one. So I am deploying this one. Click on deploy here. Once I deploy, I still then it will come here. All the deployed files will be coming here. Right now there is no Amazon that file is not there here. So right now I want to deploy. After I will click on deploy, it will show here. All the applications it will show there. So let us click on deploy. So Amazon app war file will be deployed. Deploy. See right now here this got deployed. Application got deployed here. Click on Amazon app now. See like this the application we can deploy any war files. So this if you want this Amazon this war file, right, you have to see my my Maven videos. Then you can create this war files for deploying on the Tomcat. So this is the way we can install the Tomcat and we can deploy the war files. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.